Now that we have finished our journey in Taiwan, let's now go to Korea. Not north, but south. Somewhere in Seoul, a pot of something dangerous is about to ruin your diet forever. What's up, everyone? I'm Juan, and today we're going deep on one of Korea's most iconic street foods, Tteokbokki. We're talking history, how it's made, why it's become a global obsession, and yes, I'm eating a whole bowl on camera. This is a pojangmacha, a covered street stall. And this right here is where Tteokbokki lives. Look at that color, that sauce. Before we eat it, let me tell you where this all started. Tteokbokki actually has royal roots. In the Joseon dynasty, it was a soy sauce-based dish served in the royal palace. No gochujang, no spice, just soy sauce, beef, and vegetables. Honestly, a completely different dish. Then the 1950s happened. Post-war Korea. A woman named Ma Bok-lim is credited with the spicy version we know today. She opened a stall in Sindang-dong, mixed in gochujang by accident, or so the story goes, and changed Korean food forever. One accidental ingredient swap. 70 years later, Tteokbokki is a billion-dollar industry. Let that sink in. Today you'll find it in street stalls, convenience stores, Michelin-starred restaurants, and in every Korean mom's kitchen. But what actually goes into this thing? Let me break it down, ingredient by ingredient. The star of the show, garae tok, cylindrical rice cakes, made from glutinous rice flour, chewy, dense, satisfying. On its own, pretty bland. But once this thing hits that sauce, completely different experience. Trust me. Gochujang, fermented red chili paste. This is the soul of the dish. Spicy, sweet, deeply savory. Nothing else like it. Next, yeomuk, or fish cake. Thin sheets of processed fish that soak up the sauce beautifully. A classic add-in. The broth is anchovy or kelp stock, that umami base that makes everything come together. Don't skip this step. A touch of sugar and soy sauce. This is how you balance the heat, sweet against spicy, salty against savory. Rice cakes, fish cake, gochujang, stock, sugar, soy sauce, green onion. That's it. 5 ingredients, infinite flavor. Now let's actually cook it. I'm gonna walk you through every step so you can make this at home tonight. Start with your broth. Bring it to a low boil. This is the foundation. Get this right, and everything follows. In goes the gochujang. Watch that color transform the broth. Stir it until it fully dissolves. No clumps. Sugar in, soy sauce in, stir. Taste it. Adjust. This sauce should make you want to drink it straightway. Almost. Rice cakes go in now. They need 8 to 10 minutes to soften and absorb that sauce. Don't rush this step. Fish cake goes in halfway through. It doesn't need long, like just enough time to soak up flavor and get a little color. This is the moment. Watch the sauce reduce. It clings to every rice cake. That gloss, that's flavor on flavor. Look at that pull. The sauce stretch. This is what 70 years of perfecting a recipe looks like. Sliced green onions, sesame seeds, a final drizzle of sesame oil if you're feeling generous. Done. From raw ingredients to this, in under 20 minutes. That's the beauty of Tteokbokki. Fast, affordable, and absolutely stunning. Before I eat this, let's talk about what makes Tteokbokki different from everything else out there. Tteokbokki is comfort food for millions of Koreans. After school, after work, after heartbreak, this is where people go. And honestly, I completely understand why. Sindangdong in Seoul has an entire alley dedicated to this dish. Over 30 stalls, all competing for the best bowl in Korea. Rabokki, ramen noodles added to tteokbokki. It soaks up the sauce and doubles the carbs. Absolutely irresponsible. Love it. Cheese tteokbokki, melted mozzarella on top. It cools the heat and adds this creamy, gooey layer. A modern classic. Rose tteokbokki, cream mixed into the gochujang sauce. Less spicy, more rich. It's taken over Korean cafes in the last few years. And the original Teko, Gungjung Tteokbokki, the royal court version. Soy-based, no spice. This is what kings ate. Riding the Korean wave, Hallyu, Tteokbokki is now in cities worldwide. New York, London, Sydney, it's everywhere. What I love about this dish is that it adapts, it travels, and every new version still tastes like Seoul. Now, let's eat. All right, this is the moment. Made this myself. Gochujang sauce, homemade stock, fresh rice cakes. Here we go. Okay, the chewiness first, then the heat builds, then that sweet note catches you. It's a 3-act story in one bite. And there it is, the heat. You feel it in the back of your throat, then your lips, then your whole face. Worth every second. This is how most Koreans eat it. Standing up from a paper cup, surrounded by people. No table needed. Gone. Every single piece. And I already want more. That's the tteokbokki effect. Once you start, you don't stop. Spice level, 5 out of 5. Chewiness level, also 5 out of 5. This dish earns every point, every time. So, royal dish turned street food. One accidental recipe change in the 1950s, and now it's feeding the world. That's tteokbokki. 5 ingredients. 20 minutes. Make it this week. You will not regret it. If you're new here, subscribe. We do this every week. Next time, another street food that will completely wreck you.